In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Facebook ads. We'll walk through using Meta's built-in A/B testing tools so you can compare one variable at a time and understand what truly drives performance without guesswork. First, open Meta Ads Manager. Make sure you're in the right ad account and that you have at least one campaign or ad set you're comfortable using as a baseline. You don't need to build something brand new from scratch, but it helps to have a clear objective in mind so you know what success looks like, whether that's purchases, leads, or clicks. Next, look for the A/B test option. Depending on your layout, it may appear directly in the toolbar or under the Experiments section. This is Meta's controlled testing environment. Select it, and you'll be prompted to choose what you want to compare. The platform will duplicate the part you're testing and keep the rest as consistent as possible, which is key to getting clean results. Now choose the single variable you want to test. You can compare creative, like an image versus a video, to see which format grabs attention. You can test audiences, such as interest-based versus a custom or lookalike group, to find who responds best. You can test placements, automatic placements versus a curated set, or you can test copy and headlines while keeping the visual the same. Keep it to one change at a time so you can attribute any performance difference to that exact choice. Set your budget and schedule. Plan to run the test for at least 7 days. That window gives the algorithm time to exit the learning phase and smooths out day-of-week fluctuations. Allocate a budget that's realistic for your goal and allows each variant to receive sufficient delivery. If your objective requires conversions, remember that both versions need enough volume to produce a fair comparison. Before launching, review all details carefully. Confirm that only the intended variable differs, that your optimization event and bid strategy are aligned with your goal, and that placements, audiences, and settings you're not testing remain identical. When you publish, Meta will split the audience evenly between your variants and collect data in parallel. Avoid editing the test mid-flight, as changes can reset learning and muddy your results. As the test runs, keep your eye on one primary metric that matches your objective, like cost per result, return on ad spend, or click-through rate, and let the full schedule play out. By the end, you'll have a clear, data-backed read on which version performed better, giving you confidence to scale what works and move forward with fewer doubts.